and phenomenological phenomena. And all the individuals who write about this stuff, they got it wrong. You can't write. You have to write from an empirical standpoint. It's either you have it or you don't. Either you got it or you don't. This is not something you read in books or learn. Listen, you have to be biologically predisposed to some sort of extrasensory perception. ESP or psychic ability.
That includes between emotions. So you're looking at,
you know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges and the dark.
A 1 point per thing somewhere that has a 1 point.
When a person's external stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you have extreme polar